There's a new Google Gemini update in town, and it's called Gemini Drops. New Gemini Drops, all right, my friends? So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, what I'm talking about. If you have any questions as we go along as well, feel free to ask. And essentially, there's been a bunch of new updates inside Google Gemini, the app. Okay, so the first thing that's changed is that you now get more detail on your videos, right? So if you're using Beta 3.1, for example, you get like better textures, easier camera control, dialogue, and sound effects to let you basically create more compelling stories. On top of that, Gemini 2.5 Flash is now arriving inside there, and you've got the option to use the formulas. So you can actually use on Google Gemini Canvas this kind of latex rendering workflow, right? And what that means is you can copy formulas into your documents, generate PDFs, etc. I'll show you how this works in a second, and we'll test it out side by side and see if these updates are any good or not. Hopefully they are. But essentially, we're going to be going through the latest updates. The other thing you can do now is you can create these new updates on the presentations, right? So kind of like if you've ever come across these super agents like GenSpark, Manus, etc., you can create really nice slideshow presentations. You can actually apparently do that inside Google Gemini now. To top of that, you have the option for personalized movie picks, but I mean, who's wasting their time watching movies these days? Unless it's the weekend and you're really bored. You should be doing an ice bath instead, to be honest with you. And then you've got the paper cut option, which is like new keyboard shortcuts inside the Gemini app. And additionally, we have these options to change the model halfway through the conversation as well, which is good as well because that was super annoying. Ian says, rock on AI Vista. That's what we're talking about. We're bringing the rock and roll to AI today, my friends.